Hello friends, welcome back to our session physics classes. So in the previous class we have discussed the introduction, right? This is the introduction we have discussed, right? This is the chapter we are discussing, reflection of light at curved surface. Let us understand something in detail. I have raised some questions for you. In examination, questions are focused on mainly the following. First one is conceptual understanding. The questions mainly focused on the conceptual understanding, CCE pattern. This CCE pattern is related to CBSE kind of concept, where they are going to understand, where they are going to test the skills of the students in conceptual understanding, how they are going to apply the subject, application of the subject, and some numerical problems. These are all areas you need to focus, but these two areas are very important for you. These three areas are very important in the point of examination. These two areas, and this in this area you will get only you will get from questions from this area also. I limited my discussion for most important areas where we are going to get the questions. Now these are all some previous year questions. You can find some numerical problems are given for 4 marks, 4 marks, 4 marks. Mainly the 4 marks questions are either numerical problems or drawing a ray diagram for a spherical mirror based on a given data or based on a conceptual understanding. This is the area where you are going to get the 4 marks question. Okay, so it is a combination of conceptual understanding and applications, and also sometimes of numerical problems. This is an area where you are going to get 4 marks questions. You need to have a lot of strong foundation on the basics to answer these questions. And next one, when we come to the 2 marks, 2 marks are mainly focused on application oriented. For example, why do you prefer a convex mirror as a rear view mirror in the vehicle? Or the question may be like this: why the dentist use a concave mirror? Or he may ask, what kind of mirror a dentist use? So to answer these questions, my dear friends, please believe me, after completing all this discussion, we are able to answer all the questions without any revision also. This is possible. For that, you need to have a strong fundamentals and strong basics, strong conceptual understanding and applications. Just focus on my class so that you can understand. And 1 mark question, most of the times this question is asked. Magnification product of a mirror by a mirror is +1. What does it mean? So it has a lot of meaning, my dear friends. If you want, here he is asking a kind of numerical problem, but he is expecting you to answer in a conceptual way. So therefore, numerical problems linked to conceptual understanding and application of it is going to give a very good knowledge and a very good hold on this subject. Okay, and there are some multiple choice of questions also there, which are also focusing on the conceptual understanding and applications. See here, the minimum distance for a real image to real object in a concave mirror is. So this is also a conceptual kind of understanding, but you need to, this is for given for half mark. Half mark. You need to answer in 1 minute. How can it is possible? It is possible, my dear friends, if you have a strong fundamentals in this. Everything we are going to discuss further going forward. If an object, second question, if an object is at C, that is center of curvature on the principal axis in front of a concave mirror, the position of the image would be. That means from the ray diagrams, he is also taken some question. So altogether, there is a chance of getting 1 4-mark question, 1 2-mark question, 1 1-mark question, and 1 half-mark question, an objective type. So altogether, 4 plus 2, 6, 6 plus 1, 7, 7.5 marks to 8 marks. Sometimes you may get into 2. I mean, 2 multiple choice. This is a probability of weightage of marks in the examination out of the exam is for 40 marks, my dear friends. Out of 40 marks, you may be getting around 8 marks. Tell me, how much is the percentage? 4 ones are, sorry, 8 ones are, 8 fives are into 100. 5 ones are, 5 20s are. There is a chance of 20% marks you can score. 20% of marks you can score from this. Is this not important, my dear friends? Yes, this is very, very important. This is very, very important, my chapter, my dear friends. You need to focus a lot on this. This much is the importance of this chapter. So please focus. You may be getting a 20% weightage of marks out of total. That is the importance of this chapter. Okay. Thank you. In the next section, we are going to discuss in detail of all these concepts. We are going to discuss all these concepts in detail. Just I want to give a gist of the subject, what we are going to discuss, and what kind of view we need to have on the exam, in the examination related to this chapter. To give that idea, I just made this class. In the next class, we are going to see the complete explanation of the chapter, and after completing that, we are going to solve few example problems, few important problems related to this topic. I hope it is clear for you. Thank you.